Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to get Disney Plus on Android device. To get Disney Plus on Android is a straightforward process. Go ahead and open your Google Play Store and then go to the search box at the top and type in Disney Plus. Look for this application that says Disney Plus and tap on the install button if the application is available in your country. Tap on the install button and wait for the application to download and install on your device. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you can launch the app open, and that's how you will be able to get Disney Plus on your Android device. All you need to do is to go visit your Play Store and then type in Disney Plus in the search result and get the app installed in just a few minutes. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.